Today we're going to talk about juniper berries, the medicinal, culinary, therapeutic and magical properties of these berries. There's more to the juniper berry than just the making of gin, although that has to be one of my favourite uses. It was once believed that juniper would protect against the plague. The berries are the active part of the juniper plant and they should not be harvested before the third year of the tree's growth. Juniper berries can be used in infusions, decoctions, ground into a powder, in an oil infusion, or a tincture. Juniper berry herbal extract has many medicinal benefits. Juniper berries work as a diuretic that helps to clear the kidneys, bladder and prostate of toxic waste material. It is useful in the treatment of urinary tract infections and aids in digestion. Juniper has been used to relieve conditions such as rheumatism and the buildup of uric acid in the joints, helping to relieve conditions such as gout. It is a natural anti-parasitic, so it can help to treat worms and has antiseptic properties. To use juniper as an antiseptic, it is best made into a salve that is applied to slow healing wounds. Juniper berry salve can be used to treat many different skin conditions such as dandruff, athlete's foot, acne, psoriasis, and eczema. People for centuries have used juniper berries to relieve stress, nervous tension, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Along with all its other health benefits, these berries have been used to effectively assist in losing weight naturally. In this way, juniper is best used as an infusion or tea. Just steep up to 2 grams of berries in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes and then drain out any remaining plant matter before drinking. I like to make my juniper berries into a tincture and just put drops into my tea when I need it. I will do a future video on how to make a juniper tincture. Studies have shown juniper to be beneficial for diabetics, especially those who are suffering from issues with the pancreas. It is thought to have the ability to restore the pancreas when no permanent damage has been done. For this reason, diabetics have to be careful when using the herbal tincture as it can cause glucose levels to raise in the body. Many herbalists use juniper extract to treat indigestion, heartburn, cramping and general stomach upsets, as it acts as a stimulant to improve digestive function, helping to increase the flow of digestive fluid and reduce excessive gas. Juniper aids in the removal of waste and acidic toxins from the body. In this way, juniper is best used as an infusion or as a tea, as mentioned in the previous slide. As also mentioned before, juniper can be taken orally as a tincture, or it can be used as a salve to be applied over the required area to relieve pain in muscles and joints. Due to its diuretic properties, juniper can reduce inflammation and help people who are experiencing issues with water retention and menstrual bloating and cramping. Juniper berries contain vitamin C and are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage by harmful toxins and free radicals. The volatile oil of the berries help with respiratory infections, congestion, and open bronchial passages. Juniper is valuable for respiratory infections and congestion because of its volatile oil in its berries. It is a natural expectorant, meaning that it helps expel mucus from the lungs. It has helped to ease breathing and treat bronchial asthma, emphysema, sinusitis, head colds, and other viral infections. Some common nutrients found in juniper include calcium, chromium, iron, magnesium, manganese, niacin, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, silicon, zinc, and vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, and C. So as you can see, they are a densely packed power berry. Some spiritual uses of juniper berries include for protection, for cleansing, and purification of the body and mind. The use of juniper has been mentioned in ancient Greek and Roman texts. During the bubonic plague, people carried juniper on their person for the antiseptic benefits, and because they believed it would protect them from the plague. Surgeons during the Renaissance sterilized their tools in juniper tea, and it was also used extensively by the Native Americans. The picture shown on the right here is a painting of a spray of juniper berries by John Ruskin back in 1863. Juniper can be propagated from a cutting. So you take a new growth cutting of approximately 7 inches and trim away the leaves about 2 inches from the base. Dip it in Rutex or some other growth hormone and plant it in a well-drained pot or soil. And then don't forget to water it. As with most herbal remedies, if you find that your symptoms are not improving, it's important to consult your doctor. Also consult your doctor before using any herbal remedy if you have a pre-existing condition or are taking any medication. Juniper can adversely interact with some medical diuretics, and prolonged use for more than a month is not recommended, as it can cause kidney damage over long-term use. So it's the kind of thing that you would use sometimes as needed. If the person has a pre-existing condition, juniper berries may overstimulate the kidneys and adrenals and should be avoided at all times. Juniper should not be taken by pregnant women or women trying to become pregnant or those breastfeeding, as it can cause a reduction in fertility, and if they're pregnant, it may terminate the pregnancy. Before use, always try a little bit on a small area of the skin, as some people may have an allergic reaction. Juniper oil should never be used on an open wound, as it can exacerbate swelling and irritation. Remember, if in doubt, consult your doctor. So I hope you've learned a bit more about juniper berries today and realised that it's so much more than that ingredient in your gin. I hope that you like and subscribe for my next video. Thank you.